Next point is to remove the transit spacers. These spacers are installed to prevent all the locking segments and seals to be activating during transport and during installation process. So now I will remove them. Usually there is two sides with the transit spacers. So I'll remove both sides. Sometimes there will be 4, depending on size. And we will save these for later, because they will be installed outside of all the nuts as a locking to prevent them unscrewing itself. Now we're ready. We control that the connector hasn't fallen off the pipe. Check. Both the lines are still correctly adjusted. And now we will move to tighten the bolts according to this table here, with a maximum of 80 Newton and 1 to 12. When we are finished, it should be a range of 47 millimeter gap in between here. And the starting gap is 66 millimeter all over. Then I will start on top, tighten a couple of millimeter, and then I will go to the bottom. And then I will do this both sides. Control measure, always 59, 59, 59, and all the way to the bottom. Yeah, 59 millimeter. So we're going down 12 more. So I'll just repeat the process until we are at 47 millimeter. Measure again. Now we're down to 55 mil, 54, 52. So a little bit off, so I'll repeat torquing this side up a little bit. Control again to see 50. Okay, good. Now I'll do top and bottom. And now we're closing down to the torque, so I have to swap to the torque wrench. And then I will have to adjust it to 80. Good. Okay, 1. 2. 3. 4. So I'm using soft rubber seals. That's why we got so many loose bolts. If you have graphite, you will have to torque all of the bolts up to reach the final goal. Now we will control measure. 47, 47, 47. So since we are at our final destination of the close down gap of 47 millimeter, we will just hand tighten these bolts and retighten them a little bit with just a wrench. Good.